In this video, I'm going to be talking about common Google business page problems and what you should do about them. All right, so just a little bit about us. My name is Kyle Battis. I'm one of the co-founders at NH Strategic Marketing. We've been marketing online since 1999, founded NH Strategic Marketing in 2012. We have hundreds of clients in over 14 different states, and we really specialize in helping our small business clients grow. And what we do, we're a full-service digital marketing agency, online marketing consulting, website design, small business search engine optimization, pay-per-click advertising, and of course, Google My Business optimization. So, what is a Google business page? Really, it's the page on the Google platform that shows your business profile. Okay, it's a really important page. It's a completely free page to claim. And it really shows, if you set it up right and you optimize it well, and you do some of the other things that need to happen to get it to rank, it can show in search results when somebody is looking for the products or the services that your business offers. And it allows your business to show on the Google Maps listings. And you've seen this before. It's the 3-pack of results that shows up in the middle of the page. When you're looking for a local business and it's got the star ratings next to them showing reviews from happy or unhappy customers. And as I mentioned, it's a completely free page and it's probably one of the most important pages on the internet for your small business. It's why you really want to pay attention to this. And so who should use a Google business page? Any brick and mortar business that has a physical location, you should absolutely use it. If you're a business that serves a specific geographic area and like a service area, you should absolutely be using one of these. And then any business with a physical location, of course. All right. Now, on to the most common problems that we have seen. We've seen a lot of problems that people have with their Google business pages over the years. And these problems can cost you a lot of traffic to your website, inbound phone calls, and new potential customers, and of course, money. All right? The more clients traffic you get to the website, the more prospective leads and customers you'll get from it. So if you're not getting that because you've got some issues with your Google business page, that's a problem you definitely want to fix. Okay, so one of the common problems that we've seen is when a business has duplicate pages. Your business should only have one Google business page unless you're a legitimate multi-location business with different physical offices. Duplicate pages can result in Google showing users incorrect information, or it'll, the real issue with it is you're just not going to rank well. Okay, if Google sees you've got duplicate Google business pages, they're not going to be super clear on who you are, what you do, the services you offer, what your hours are, et cetera, and they're less likely to show you up in the search results. And this is a big problem. So the solution to this is you've got to remove those duplicate pages. Sometimes you want to merge those together. Sometimes you want to get rid of them completely. We know how to handle that. So if you have this issue going on with your business, you've got a duplicate Google business page and you know it, then we definitely need to get that solved for you. We can help you out. Definitely want to reach out to us and book a free chat. And I'll mention more about that after. Another problem that we've seen, we just helped an RV park solve this problem. He got constant complaints from his customers who had booked to stay at his RV park, and they would try to show up, and the Google Map pin that kind of directs them to his location, the entrance of his location, was in the wrong place, and they'd be driven multiple miles down the road, and that caused a lot of issues, customer support issues, customer frustration issues, and it negatively affected his business, right? So we started working with him, and the solution was we got connected to his Google business page. We figured out where it actually should be, and then we helped him dial that in and get that all fixed up and made sure his address is correct and the updated PIN is showing in Google Maps. Another problem. Your business is showing it's permanently closed. This is a bad one, okay? That means when users come across your page, the Google business page is saying you're permanently closed. You won't show up in Google search results. You won't show up in Google Maps. And the solution is log into your account, make sure your business is verified in Google. This can take some time, okay? You got to get that postcard in the mail or do the phone verification, and you got to update that information, make sure it's accurate, okay? So these are a few common problems that we see. And the benefits of that Google business page, I cannot understate enough. A properly optimized Google My Business page will get your business ranking in Google Maps, allows users to quickly get the information they need for your business, address, phone number, hours. Nobody uses the yellow pages anymore. Everybody just quickly Googles your business, right? And if you're not showing up accurately in the Google My Business, or you're not showing up at all, that's a big problem. We got to get that fixed. And Google is more likely to show listings with a high number of quality reviews. That's a big piece of the overall equation. There's a lot of other pieces that I'm not going to cover in here, like how well optimized is your page, how accurate is your business information in the directory listings, good, well-written descriptions, and there's even some factors associated with your website that are important to get dialed into, okay? So, here at NH Strategic Marketing, we're Google certified partners. We're well versed in all types of different Google My Business ranking issues and how to fix them. We're local SEO specialists, and we have a focus on return on investment for all of our clients. If you would like to learn more about how we can help you optimize your Google My Business page, I invite you to book a time to chat with me. You can just go to nhstrategicmarketing.com/Kyle, and you'll be able to see my calendar. You can actually book a date and time to have a chat with me, either by phone or via Zoom, and we can have a conversation, take a look at your page, your rankings, your website, and see what needs to happen to get that fixed. All right, hope you got some value from this video. If you did, please do all the things that you're supposed to do, like, comment, share, pass this video along to anybody else that you think may get value from it. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.